Hey guys, I'm Lachlan. Today I'll be demonstrating the projectile motion. It is one of the most common motions that we have always seen in our real lives. For example, like shooting a basketball. So the definition of the projectile motion is a form of motion where an object moves along a curved path under the influence of the gravity. Now, let's see this picture. Assuming that an object is launched at the origin with the velocity of VO and the angle is theta. So the components of VOX and VOY can be written as VOX equals to VO times cos theta and VOY equals to VO times sine theta. Acceleration. There is no acceleration on the x direction, and the only acceleration on the y direction is negative g. So ax equals to 0 and ay equals to negative g. Velocity. The velocity equation of the horizontal direction is Vx equals to Vo times cos theta, and the horizontal component of the velocity is unchanged during the motion. The velocity equation of the vertical direction is Vy equals to Vo times sine theta minus g times t. And the vertical acceleration is constant, which is negative g. So the vertical component of the velocity increases linearly. Displacement. By integrating the velocity equations, we get the displacement equations. So that's x equals to Vot times cos theta and y equals to Vot times sine theta minus half gt squared. So here is an example. A projectile is thrown with an initial velocity of 10 meters per second and an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal. Determine the horizontal distance traveled by the projectile before it strikes the ground. And here is a picture of the projectile motion. To determine the horizontal displacement, we should write down the horizontal displacement equation. That is x equals to Vot times cos theta. And we're given the initial velocity, which is 10 meters per second, and the angle theta is 30 degrees. So we sub this number into the equation, and there is still one unknown, the time t. So to figure out the time traveling by the object, we should try the vertical displacement equation. That is y equals to Vot sine theta minus half gt squared. And point B, the vertical displacement is 0. So we sub the y value equals to 0 into the equation, and we get 0 equals to 10 sine 30t minus half 9.81 times t squared. So we could easily figure out the t, which is 1.02 seconds. And then we sub this t back to the first equation, that is x. So x equals to 10 times cos 30 times 1.02. And the final answer is 8.83 meters. Thanks for watching. I hope this video is helpful.